Hello, Lynx! As you plan your CU Denver journey, I encourage you to include an experience that could change the trajectory of your life. Consider studying abroad, either for a semester or for one of our many short-term programs to Europe, Asia, South America, or Africa. There are rich experiential learning adventures available through travel overseas or as an interactive virtual courses that you can enjoy from home. I have taken hundreds of students abroad during my own career as a professor, and I've witnessed how it has transformed the way they see themselves as citizens of the world. These experiences transformed my life too. Because studying abroad sets you apart. It heightens your critical thinking skills, expands empathy and understanding, and increases language proficiency. The demands of today's interconnected world truly require the global mindset that students gain from study abroad. And more than 90% of the world's students and shoppers, patients, and investors live outside the United States. And when we gain a better understanding of other cultures and societies and the global marketplace, it fuels our own capacity for innovation and development. And employers understand this. At home and abroad, they appreciate job candidates with the knowledge and the qualities and interpersonal skills that are enhanced by international study and work. And studies have also found that salaries tend to be higher for graduates with global intercultural experience. And if you think you can't afford to study abroad, please think again. CU Denver offers many affordable programs. Colleges across campus offer scholarships, and our semester abroad program in Beijing is less costly than a semester here in Denver. Find out how you can make study abroad fit into your plans for a successful student journey right here at CU Denver. And please make an appointment with our study abroad advisors. I promise you it will enrich your studies and be an extraordinary experience that you will remember for the rest of your life.